I'm going to tell you about the relation between kilometer and meter. You will come to know in this video how to convert kilometer to meter or and meter to kilometer. So what is the relation between kilometer and meter? So let us begin. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So when you convert from kilometer to meter, you need to multiply by 1000. So multiplying by 1000 is simple, just put three zeros after the numbers. So like that also you can do. So let us do the exercise number 5, where you need to do what? You need to convert the kilometer into meter. So the first question of exercise 5 is given that the distance from Jagdish's house to the zoo is equal to 3 kilometer 425 meter. So this is the question and you need to convert this one in meter. So very simple, I have already told you, to kilometer to meter you need to convert in you need to multiply by 1000. So in this case you can see 3 kilometer 425 meter. So I will show you the process. You can do it directly also in exam. If few steps you cannot, it's better you do it fully. So yeah, 3 kilometer 425 meter. So as they have asked you to convert that one, how many meters is that, the question is that. So meters, this number 425 meter is already in meter. So you need to convert this kilometer to meter. So how will you convert that one kilometer to meter? It's very simple. You need to multiply 3 with 1000, and then this extra meter you need to do what? Addition, 425 meter. So 3 into 1000 is 3000 plus 425, it will be what? 3425 meter. So like that you need to convert. So they have given the length of a road is 6 kilometer 330 meter. How many meters is that? Very simple, same thing. You need to find the length of a road uh, which is 6 kilometer 330 meter, and you need to convert this 6 kilometer 330 meter in meter. So how will you do? 6 into kilometer you need to convert into meter, you need to do multiply plus, and this 330, as it's already in conversion, you need to add this one 330. So it will be 6000 plus 330. So when you add, it will be what? 6330 meter is the answer. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is number 1 answer, this is number 2. So let us go to number C. C is also same question, they had same type of question. The length of a boundary wall of Asa school is 1 kilometer 675 meter. How many meters is that? Same thing, you need to do what? You need to convert this into meter. So how will you do? Again same thing, 1 kilometer, you can put these zeros also directly also you can do. So 1 into, but I am showing you the process actually what is happening. What? The 675 meter. So it will be 1000 plus 675 equal to 1675 meter. So this way you can complete, you can do it. So the number also same, in a marathon race the runners had to run this much. So express this distance in meters, you need to convert. How will you? 10 into 1000 plus 555 meter. So like that you can convert this one, this whole 10 kilometer 555 into meter. Next is that you need to convert from length meter to kilometer, you need to convert. So to convert you need to do what? Meter to kilometer, you used to divide by 1000. That is the rule. So for kilometer to meter you need to multiply, and from meter to kilometer you need to divide by 1000. And it's very simple. If you get this type of question, 1135, the three numbers from the back, that is 135, as you can see 3 digit from the last, used to be meter, and this one used to be in kilometer. And if you divide also 1135 divided by 1000, then also the quotient whatever you will get, that one used to be the in kilometer, and whatever you get as remainder, that used to be 135. That means the last three digit used to be the remainder. As 30 is there, three numbers from the last used to be meter, and whatever remaining, that used to be the in kilometer. That is very simple. So let us go to exercise number 6. They have given that the distance from Mani's house to the market is 2525 meter, and you need to convert the distance to kilometers and meters. Okay, so from, they have given meter and you need to convert that one in kilometers. So for meter to kilometer you need to do what? You need to divide by 1000. As you can see 2525 they have given, and you need to convert this 2525, you need to convert into kilometers. So you need to do what? Divide by 1000. So when you divide by 1000, you used to get what? So you used to get 2 kilometer 525 meter, or you can remember like this also. Last three digit used to be meter, and the whatever remaining, that means up to 100 place used to be, as 30 is there, up to 100 place whatever number is there, that used to be the in meter, and whatever remaining, that used to be in kilometer. Or if you divide also, you will get this 2 kilometer as quotient and this 525 as remainder. So like that also, same thing is going on. So next question they have given that the distance from Red Riding Hood's house to her grandmother's house is 3115 meter, and you need to convert that one, convert the distance to kilometers and meters. So this is 3101, you need to convert that one. Same thing you do, divide by 1000. So whatever in the last three numbers from the, that means up to 100 place, you need to write that one in meter, and whatever remaining, that used to be in kilometer. Or you can say that when you divide it, the quotient used to be the in kilometer, and whatever remaining used to be in meter. So that means remainder used to be. So number C number question. So next question is that distance from the Taj Mahal in Agra to Agra Fort is 2755 meter, and you need to express that in kilometers and meters. Same thing, you do what? You divide by 1000. You divide by 1000. So when you divide by 1000, you will get what? 2 kilometer 755 meters. So that is very simple. Similarly, last question they have given that Ajay's family went on 5010 meter boat ride on the Ganges river. So what is the distance? So you will get as 5 kilometer and 10 meter will be the answer. So this way I like to complete your length portion. So these meter to centimeter and kilometer and meter, these four values is very important. This is mostly used in measurement. So with this I like to conclude, and thank you for watching.